Want to ride the surge in the US or China markets without leaving your sofa? Here are 4 easy ways to make your money global in just a few taps. The first option, international mutual funds. Now these are Indian mutual funds that invest in global stocks. They work like your regular mutual funds. You use the same app, a similar SIP setup, your investment is in rupees and the taxation is the same. But your money is invested in global markets. Now, due to the solid run in global markets in the last year, some of these funds have outperformed investments in India by a wide margin. Here are the top 3 performers in terms of returns in the last year. Invesco Global Consumer Trends Fund of Funds tops the list with a stellar 63% returns. On to the next option now, global ETFs listed on Indian stock exchanges. They trade like other Indian stocks but track foreign markets. For you, the investment process and tax implications remain the same as other regular ETFs. Basically, instant global exposure directly in rupees and no extra steps. Mirae Asset NYSE FANG Plus has topped the charts with a solid 76% returns. Let's move to the third option, direct investing through international brokers. Do you actually want to own Apple or Alibaba shares? Apps like Interactive Brokers or Vested make this possible. You can send up to $250,000 a year abroad for investment under the liberalized remittance scheme. Now, transfers up to 10 lakh rupees don't attract any extra tax, but above that, there will be a 20% tax collected at source. You'll also need to manage currency swings and paperwork, but you get real-time trading and full control. And now our last option, which is the newest kid on the block, Gift City funds. But to understand that, let's first understand what Gift City is. The special finance zone in Gujarat works like an offshore hub. Let's say like Dubai or Singapore. It offers special tax perks, easier rules and currency flexibility. That makes funds based in Gift City an attractive option to invest globally. Though this investment also falls under the $250,000 LRS limit. Also, these are for a slightly higher league. For example, DSP's Global Equity Fund based in Gift City has a minimum investment requirement of $5,000. That's a little over 4 lakh rupees. So those are the 4 ways in which you can give your portfolio a global flavor without using the passport. Pick the path that suits your budget and paperwork comfort. And stay tuned for more such personal finance hacks. Don't forget to like, share and follow.